Tokyo Revengers follows a young man named Takemichi Hanagaki as he travels back in time to save his girlfriend from getting killed by a gang called Toman. The series starts off with what looks to be simple love story, only to expand with Takemichi determined to save everyone he loves, including his newfound friends in Toman. The manga, written by Ken Wakui, was awarded as the best series at the 44th Kodansha Manga Awards and is one of this season's highly anticipated anime. But now we have to talk about the elephant in the room, the swastika, which is the symbol of the Toman. For Western audience, seeing the swastika is a huge trigger as it was a symbol of Nazism, hatred and terror. But for other cultures like those in India or East Asia, it represents prosperity and good luck. The Nazis' version of the swastika varies slightly from the manji symbol. The manji symbol is the counterclockwise with the center as the plus sign, while the other versions is clockwise and tilted at an angle known as hook cross. If you were to look at the map in Japan a few years ago, this symbol would have been on it several times as it marks off where the temples are. However, Japan recently changed it to make it more foreigner friendly in anticipation of the upcoming Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games, and it's understandable why the government opted to change it. Without the cultural knowledge and context, it would have directed a lot of unwanted hate and fear against Japanese people. It's important that we discuss the manji symbol as it was originally intended, an auspicious symbol of peace and prosperity. In Buddhism, it represents the footprints of the Buddha. It stands for good things and good luck. Hence why it is very common symbol to be found around the places of worship. However, the image of the swastika will be forever linked to Nazism. Unfortunately, because of how historically and culturally rooted of swastika is in Nazism in the past and the present, it will be hard to explain the viewers why the manji symbol isn't the same thing, and it will be even harder for people to listen. That's why Japan chose to change this symbol on their maps rather than offer historical concept on what the manji symbol means. And similarly, Tokyo Revengers chooses not to use that symbol in the anime trailer, and still instead of using a bullet in the place of it. In both instances, the anime and the country are avoiding the topic and trying to explain an extremely complicated and controversial symbol. Is there any hope for the manji symbol reclaiming its original meaning? T.K. Nagasaki, the Japanese Buddhist priest who wrote the Buddhist swastika and Hitler's cross, says that stating a conversation about the symbol is already a victory, and their understanding of it is the opening a path to reconciliation and reclamation. What are your thoughts about Tokyo Manji Gang and their symbol? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Is it a sign of prosperity and peace, or is it a sign of Nazism? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.